Hi, this is Miss Absad Island. I'm again here this week, and this week I'm going to discuss with you a little important thing we should always keep in mind while talking. We should know that words they hold meaning, they have energy, and whatever we are saying, we are throwing that energy out into the atmosphere. So it gives a certain kind of return. So positive and negative words do have a certain kind of impact not only on us but on others around which you're talking, you're speaking, or to whom you are intending those words to. So people don't really think before saying something, and they don't really understand the intention that they should use while using words. Words are very, very powerful, and we take them very lightly, which we actually shouldn't. So, today, just it came to my mind and my observations, of course, because not only I'm into a research field, and but it's my knack to go on doing research and observe things and search meaning to certain ideas that crops in my mind. So recent things that actually came up in my mind, I have seen people saying positive things but with a negative implication. For example, I'll tell you, if you're saying that if I asked you that how's the food, so you're saying it's not that bad, खराब नहीं है, चलती है, खराब नहीं है. So actually you're saying that it is good. So say it is good without saying that खराब नहीं है, it's not that bad. Or um, if I'm saying how this person is looking, not ugly. Okay, so it's looking good, beautiful, nice, okay. When you're saying not ugly, you're using negative words to describe or suggest something which is positive. It also, in the psychological field, if you go and understand, if you have to know the a person's personality, how that person actually is, and if you see that person talking in terms of negative words most of the time, you have to understand that person actually is a very negative one. That person is a very repressed and suppressed emotions that person might have, and will always look at the negative side, or the void side of things, other than seeing the positive side. So my suggestion to you, first, if you feel that you also suffer from this kind of things where you unconsciously you just speak things, and it's always have a very negative sort of implication while you're saying positive things, of course. So try to turn it and use positive words rather than negative ones. In fact, if you're saying good to somebody, or you're saying positive, or you want to appreciate that person, instead of using negative words to appreciate कि खराब नहीं किए हो भाई, तुमने खराब काम नहीं किया है, so say तुमने बहुत अच्छा काम किया है. So you have to do that, that बहुत अच्छा या अच्छा should come out rather than नहीं खराब नहीं हुआ है. So that if you feel that you belong to that category, that you always have that sort of negative things going on in your mind, you can't think very much positive on your own, consciously whenever things come into mind, notice what you're speaking, how you're speaking, to judge what sort of character you are. That will help you, of course. And then also try to use the positive words in order to say positive, not negative. Okay, so that will help you in the long run, and it will also present you in front of the people around you, your colleagues, your friends, your classmates, whoever it is around you. They will see you as a very vibrant, um, very sort of colorful character, positive, inspiring character who can bring vibrancy in and around oneself. So if you want to become that, you have to change your words, how you say it, with what intensity you say it, what you believe. So that feeling has to be there when you're saying something. So words, sounds, and your feelings attached with those things carry a very big energy out into the world. So beware when you're using those words, beware what you are saying about whom. Sometimes we just say things and happen and they say kali zuban hai, ye hamesha ye bolta hai. So it's like that, when you say, you have such intensity in you that things, like, they fructify, they come, they generally uh, get multiply, in the world, it comes into action, it comes into reality. So if you want to manifest positivity in and around you, have to be positive. So that's one thing I wanted to come and tell you and give you that motivation, help you to understand yourself, help you to understand people around you, help you to use words, bateं. So bateं is not only bateं, words are not only mere words. शब्द सिर्फ शब्द नहीं है, उसमें कुछ मतलब है। जब तुम यूज़ करते हो, उसको बाहर निकालते हो किसी और के लिए, अपने लिए, आसपास के लिए, इट शुड हैव सम सॉर्ट ऑफ डेप्थ इन इट, इट शुड हैव सम सॉर्ट ऑफ पॉजिटिविटी इन इट. So I love to see you all comment on this video. Like, I want to know कि तुम कैसे कैरेक्टर के हो, या मैंने जो टिप तुम्हें दी, ऐसे तुम आसपास में कितने व्यक्तियों को देख पाते हो, या अपने आप के अंदर अगर ये चीज़ है तो तुम कैसे इसको बदलोगे. सो आई विल से यू विल नीड अ वेरी पॉजिटिव, conscious effort to change yourself, and I'll tell you, within a few months you will see change where so as I was telling you, please do join this platform. Things are coming, and as and when I feel that things will help you to walk in your life, to understand people around you, help you to comprehend things on your own. So I'll be there, your guide, your friend throughout your way. But for that, I need your motivation. I need some sort of inspiration from you. I want much likes from you. Hit the like button and press the bell icon if you want updates on my videos, and I will definitely come up with more and more so that I can help you out with many other things that is necessary for living our life fruitfully. So I'll be there, your host and dost. So meet you next week with some fun video, and definitely something to think about, talk about, because this thing has to go on walking, guys. Anyway, see you in the next week. Till then, bye bye. This is Miss Absad Island signing off. Thank you.